But even if it doesn't, you have the next generation of Z Fold, the Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 to look forward to. We have a new report here from Ice Universe, actually. And he has indicated that we can expect to see the new folding products from Samsung in the summer. We'll have to wait till the summer, which feels a long way off, but it's really not. We're almost through this thing, Will, this winter thing that happens once a year around these parts. I'm not saying I want it to be over. We just got the rink going. I've been skating outdoors with the kids, man. It's unreal. It's unbelievable. I'm out there with the fresh air. Like, I'm built for that.
Yeah.
But still, I like the seasons changing. I told you this before.
Yeah.
I like the seasons changing, the time passing and the cold and the warm and all the rest of it. But anyway, these devices apparently are going to hit somewhere around July. And we have some interesting developments here. Apparently, the price point is still going to be premium, but Samsung may drop some other folding products at a more value-oriented price point. So that's good. Also, it's likely going to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 in both devices, the Flip and the Fold, so that's good. And for some reason, the rumor here is that the internal display will be a little bit smaller, 7.55 inches down from 7.59. But good news, everyone seems to think it's going to support S Pen input, which I think, as I've told you before, could be a really cool implementation on a bigger display.
That would be the place to use a S Pen.
As long as you're not digging into the thing and making grooves on the soft material.
Yeah. Although it might be, would it be a nub? Like
it would probably be a nub.
Like a rubber kind of material?
Sound like a nub to me.
A nub? Okay.
I don't know if nub's ever been said on the show previously, but it has now. Now, one potential drawback, for some reason, this rumor also seems to indicate that the camera may not be on par with the S21. I don't know how big of a deal that is. I'm sure it's still going to be great, but you're getting a lot here anyways, and I'm sure it'll be close.
Yeah.